Hey, Tamara here, and thanks for watching the video. So today we're going to be talking about how to start an online business, your very own, in 1 week. Is it possible? Well, it sure is if you have the right tools, the right training, live weekly mentorship or coaching for 12 weeks. So no more waiting around to get your questions answered, hours, days, whatever. You're going to get them answered on the live training. Crazy, 12 weeks. All right. Plus, like I said, you're going to get all the tools you need. You're going to get all the training. So you can go it step by step, day by day. So I introduce you to the Quick Start Challenge. You're going to be blown away with the value you're going to get for this. So let's just jump inside and see everything you're going to get. Okay, so when you click on the link or button below, you're going to come to this page, and then you just pop in your email, and then you'll be taken to this page. So you can watch this free video about how to get free traffic. And then your second step, you're going to get your 2-week free trial for all the tools you need in Builderall. Once you've done that, keep this page open, and then you're going to click on here to the Quick Start Challenge, which is going to take you to this page. Okay, so this is a video by Dean Holland. I'm a partner with his company, Internet Profits, and he's put together this 7-day Quick Start Challenge, which I think is actually a really, really good platform. The reason being is because not only do you get the training, which I'm going to show you in 1 second, but you also get 12 weeks of live mentorship / coaching where you can ask your questions and get them answered live for 12 weeks. So not only are you getting the step-by-step training, but you're also going to be getting that weekly live coaching. Because that's one thing, when you're working from home, you're working alone a lot of the times. And when you have questions, you might have to, send an email to support or live chat or something like that. So with this, you're going to actually get to ask your questions live and get them answered. Plus, you're kind of in a little group of people, right? So you're with people doing exactly what you're doing. So you're getting that support, which is really important because it can be hard working from home alone. So it's great to have some kind of mentorship. Okay, so then once you finish watching this video, then because at first this doesn't pop up until a few minutes of watching the video, and then once that pops up, you can click on here, and I'm going to show you inside. So there is Dean Holland. So the little welcome. And another reason I'm, offering the Builderall free trial, because I'm also a partner with them, certified partner. So I know the platform very, very well. So again, if you have any questions about either the Quick Start Challenge or Builderall, you can just, reply to any of my emails and I'll personally help you one-on-one. So you're getting kind of 2 support systems. Okay, so like I said, it's 6 or 7 days, basically. Let's just take a look at, what to expect. So under each day, there are several videos. So day 1 is pretty much kind of getting your mindset right and just kind of what you need to do and what to expect from working online, especially with affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's kind of day 1. And you also get a little bit of homework for each day. So just to kind of keep you in check, because that's the thing. So many people watch endless YouTube videos or trainings and stuff like that, but you got to take action. If you don't take action, nothing's going to change. Nothing's going to happen. So this day 1 is kind of getting you into that mindset and your expectations. Make sure they're realistic, because lots of YouTube videos or on TikTok, whatever, you'll see people making all these bogus claims that just aren't true. But if you do put in the work, it does pay off. Okay. And day 2 is about building your email list. Like the 2 essential tools you need for any kind of online business is obviously, a website or funnel builder and an email autoresponder that will send out your emails automatically for you as soon as somebody joins on your landing page. So this one here, this is what's called a landing page. So as soon as someone puts in their email, right, and say, yes, I want this, well, automatically, I have a set of emails that are going to be sent out automatically, usually one every day. So it's super important because, a lot of times people don't buy the first time they see something. So if they have, getting regular emails telling you the benefits of their product or service, it's going to be a reminder, and then they can just click on the link from the email to get to where you want them to go, kind of thing, right? Day 2 is basically all about that, building your email list, what to do, what to put in it, things like that. So this is another reason why I'm offering you the Builderall 2-week free trial, because you can even download your templates from the Quick Start Challenge and emails straight into your Builderall account. So that's why, again, I said it's important to get your 2-week free trial. Here to make sure you do put in your credit card details. You will not be charged until after the 2 weeks are over, and you can cancel at any time. But if you don't put your credit card details in, then you're just going to get what's called a free account, and you don't get any access to any of the tools. And I'll just give you a quick look inside my Builderall dashboard. So these are all of the tools that you're going to have unlimited use of, like unlimited email subscribers. Most other companies like Aweber or GetResponse, like you'll get 500 free subscribers, but over that you have to start paying. So here you have unlimited, right? Plus, like I said, you get to download the sales funnel templates and emails as well from the Quick Start Challenge. So like I said, the Cheetah Website Builder and Mailing Boss, that's our email autoresponder. But you can use all these different other tools. So I think there's like over 40 in total. So yeah, here you go. You just download your template. And of course, there's homework as usual. It's pretty easy homework, don't worry. Okay, and day 3 is really talking about sales funnels, which is what I just showed you. Like when you come here, this is what, this is a landing page. But then once you click on here, like I said, you're going to come to this page. So this is kind of a very basic landing page. So we're talking about this on day 3 with the, automated sales machine. And this is know, like, and trust. That's what you ideally want your customers to feel about you. And some more about emails. Like I said, they're automatic. And homework. And also in Builderall, you get, again, unlimited professional email addresses. So for example, say that you want to use like contact@littlebitofcoin.com. That's mine. Much better than using a Gmail account, because they will just end up in spam. So with Builderall, you don't have to pay for this, and many other companies you will have to pay for it on an annual or monthly basis. So that's another beauty of Builderall. As well, you get free HTTPS certificates. Again, many other companies you have to pay for that. So say that you wanted, for your home business, you wanted to build a membership site or e-learning site or e-commerce. You definitely, any kind of online payment processor, you have to have that S certificate. So you get those free here as well. And we have payment processors as well in Builderall that you can use for Stripe or PayPal. I think there's 7 or 10 or 11. I can't remember how many now. They always add new stuff. So there's multiple choices for you to receive payments online. So that's another thing we're talking about, automatic sales system. And, just shows you how to set up your list and everything like that. And you can download the email template. So that's what I'm saying. It's kind of, I'm giving you the 2 things, the Builderall free trial, as well as this, the Quick Start Challenge, because they go hand in hand. And like I said, you need to have at least a funnel builder and email autoresponder for any kind of online business. So you'll get that in your 2-week trial. Okay, so day 4 is all about multiple streams of income, which is super important. Because with funnels, you also have, often you can have, upsells and downsells. So say someone goes into here, and then if this, had a different setup, then it would go, okay, so you get something free, and then Quick Start Challenge. So you can build your sales funnels to be a little bit more intricate than this one. And that's another beauty with the Quick Start Challenge, is that he also tells you one of his secret affiliate offers where you can make $100 commissions. But also with Builderall, they have an amazing affiliate program where you earn 100% commissions on your first sales, then 30% monthly recurring on 2 tiers. So you can make really good money just promoting Builderall. Another reason why I love and use Builderall, have done since 2017, is because a lot of the programs that I'm going to be talking to you about and reviewing, and that I use personally myself, a lot of them have done for you components where you download things into Builderall, like the Quick Start Challenge. But you can also use them for many different other types of online businesses. So they just Builderall just goes hand in hand with all of my money making programs that I use. Okay, so the one thing that you got to do really is sending traffic. Now, traffic just means people. Like, you want people who are interested in what you're offering, how to make money online or affiliate marketing or whatever it might be. So that's the one thing you got to concentrate on, is sending traffic or people to your landing page or sales funnel. And this is really it. The traffic is the be all and end all to any kind of online business. So this is all talking about traffic, because there's, traffic temperatures. You have what we call cold, warm, and hot traffic. So cold traffic would be something like using Google Ads. People don't know you at all. Warm traffic is more kind of through social media or your blogs, things like that. And then hot traffic is, one-on-one, like, YouTube, you're getting to know me, or my TikTok. People get to know me. So, they're called hot traffic. And then there's two different types. You can have free traffic, organic traffic we call it, or paid traffic. So free organic is kind of obviously social media, things like that. And I'll also be talking about the traffic sources that I use, some free, some paid, in other videos. So this is about James's story. He was brand new to an online business, and he's made almost $24,000 in less than a year, because he's doing the quick start challenge. This is, the master plan, how to get from 0 to 3,000 per month, how to make a full-time income, if you want to do it full-time or part-time, and the master plan, and what is required of you. Choose your adventure. And then there is bonus material, which is basically like a Q&A. So how to stand out from the crowd, and a Q&A bonus. Now to get to your 12 weeks of live calls, the Q&A calls, where you can get your questions answered, then you just click on here. And like I said, you get 12 weeks of that on top of all the training you get in here. So, I think it's a really, really good program. And let's mention my bonuses. So just for joining my email list, if you want more info on the Quick Start Challenge, then you're going to get these 4 free bonuses. If you do purchase the Quick Start Challenge and or become a paid member to Builderall through my link, then you're going to get all of these bonuses, including a free vacation giveaway to 16 destinations. So if you join Builderall under me, basically what I do is I send you over a copy of this page, which is the free bonus page, to your Cheetah website builder. And then if you become a paid member after your trial or buy the Quick Start Challenge, then I send you over a copy of the premium bonus page. So all these links will then be active. So you can also use these bonuses for your leads as well. Now, if you don't join Builderall under me and just the Quick Start Challenge, then just reply to any of my emails with your receipt saying you bought the Quick Start Challenge, and I will email you the link so you can grab all these bonuses. And if we were to go back to this page, and once you click on there, here, and you click on here, then you'll be taken to the sales page. So this is what we're saying about automated. It's all automated. So you can do this for your business as well. So this is basically what you're going to get. You're getting, instead of 6 weeks, you're getting 12 weeks, which is crazy, because that would be at least $1,000, $2,000 really, and email swipes and 2 bonuses. So it is just $197, and there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if you don't like it, you can ask for a refund. But you're seeing exactly what you're receiving. So I think you're going to like it, especially if you're brand new and want to start an online business. Okay, so I hope that covers everything. And like I said, just do those 3 quick steps, get your trial, so you're ready to go on day 2 for the Quick Start Challenge. And that's about it. Okay, so take care, and we'll see you next video.